All right, so we're out at the farm. Got my boy with me. And we're going to be checking this tractor cam right here. We're going to put some batteries in it. Make sure that the old wife's tree stand's good to go for opening day. We're going to do a couple other little things and see if we can't get stuff ready for deer season. It's hot. It is hot. Oh yeah, she's dead. It's back on. We are good to go. Cool. All right. One of my favorite things to do once I get up in the bow stand is I'll go ahead and clean off the platform, clean off the seat, make sure that everything's good, straps are good. And that way when I come up here, for when it's time to actually bow hunt, I'm not having to make extra movements or make extra noise, making sure everything's good to go. So, and we'll be hunting no time. It will be deer season before you know it. Make sure this bow holder's good, bowstring's good. See, little stuff like that, man. Be little stuff like that that can just ruin a daggum deer hunt. That's why I like getting out here and doing this stuff about a month before deer season. Yes, sir. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this tree arm down, take it back and get it cleaned up and ready for bow season. I kind of forgot about it. It's been out here for over a year. That's just a testament of how sturdy that, man, Frodo fluid head is in this muddy tree arm, to be honest with you. Bow holder's good. We're good to go. Feel like I just got hammered by a spotter. That's all right. Probably gonna be spider bitten. Wouldn't be the first time though. Got it? Oh boy. All right, so we just got down here to another stand. We went up, knocked out one. We've got a couple left, pulled the climber down, got it done. And I'm gonna climb up this stand, make sure that it's good to go. Casey really likes hunting this spot too, so my main goal is just to make sure that everything is safe. And if I need to add straps, I add straps. If not, then I don't. But then of course clean off the seat, clean off the platform, make sure that you ain't got to mess with crap whenever you do climb up here. So, all right, I'm gonna climb up that tree and get it done. If I got to, give them a little tighten here and there. Make sure everything's good to go. Pull this. Oh yeah. Pull that. Yeah, we're good. Got up here, checked and make sure everything's still good. Got if I can hold the bow rope. The hoist rope's good to go. Yep. Clean off the seat. That way it's already done. I ain't trying to get up here and have to do this crap. An old water bottle that Casey never drank. Check everything. Everything's good and tight. I'm gonna go ahead and sit down. I got plenty of shooting lanes. This stand's been up here for a long time. I've killed quite a few deer out of it as well. This is Casey's little seat that she likes to sit on, so I'll leave that up here for her. Food plot's coming in nice. Got a few different lanes to be able to throw a little bit of feed, see if we can't kill something on. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. One more stand location. We got the kill plot coming up next. Then we'll be done. So we're at the last food plot. This is the kill plot. This is the last stand that I'm gonna do today. Basically, I'm just gonna climb up there, clean off everything, make sure everything's cleaned off and safe and ready for our September 24th bow season opener here in Arkansas. Got this food plot back behind me. It's starting to grow up. I thought it would just because it really does keep moisture down here in this bottom. It's got good shade, good soil down here, and there's quite a bit of deer traffic that comes through here. It's like a big funnel in between all the food sources and bedding. So, and there's also a big giant pond. I've killed a couple really good bucks out of here, a bunch of does. Man, this has been a pretty predominant doe alley. So we try to keep them, my wife on the stand, and anybody that wants to come and shoot a doe early season, this is probably the best spot on the farm just to catch a wandering doe. So you can go back and look at some videos. There's plenty of does. You'll see this food plot, but from up in the tree stand, and kind of see what I've done here. And like I said, we just got our first rain. Food plot's starting to come up. It's gonna be really nice, I think. This will be a good spot. Antler down, baby. I'm up here, safe line's good. Tree stand's good, and I'm just gonna clean it off. Do a little bit of bow maintenance up here, or bow stand maintenance. Make sure that everything's good where it needs to be. Check all straps, make sure there's no dry rot or anything like that. Everything looks good on that stand. This one's good to go. We'll clean off this platform a little bit. What's up? Yeah, what's up, dude? Wop. Food plot looks so good up here. Looks really good. You can just see it coming in better from this upper angle here. That pond's right there. That funnel comes right through there. Yes, sir. It's a good little spot. These bucks will be on this come this November. They'll be rutting and roaring right through here. Pull back. Wow, right there where Colin's at. I'm gonna smoke a buck deer right here. Cool. Officially done.